People, wanna tell me now, tell me if I obia. Tell me if I obia this right here so. Look on top of the house here. Eh? And look on the house next door. You know, say look like a obia going over there. Why so much junker come perch on that house here? Why so much junker come perch on them two house here? Out of all of the house them were in a Port St. Lucie. Eh? And some over there, so but a little bit of obia over that one there. A whole heap over that one here. And a whole heap over that one here right here so. No sir. No brother. It look away. Not tell no lie. If me wake up one morning and see source of junk up on my house top, that is it, you know. I took off, you know.
You need to worry if your house stink.
If something dead in the roof.
Yes.
No, brother. Look, good junkro. Look over there, sir. Good junkro. Just pile up. Them just pile up. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole heap. Whole heap. 3 junk up on my house top is more than enough. And they may look like 6 or 7 junk up on them house top there. No, sir. That is it. I am going out there and I'm walking around the house and plead the blood of Jesus. Lord, come and take this junker away from my house. Junker, catch up in a mango tree. Oh, sorry.